Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel where we uncover the best strategies to boost your income. Today, we're diving into how you can earn money as a student in 2025. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to pay your tuition, build savings, or just explore new opportunities, this video has got you covered. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our money-making tips. Being a student today isn't just about hitting the books. It's also about building your future financial foundation. In 2025, there are more opportunities than ever, thanks to technology and the gig economy. From online freelancing to creative content production, the ways to earn money are diverse and flexible, perfectly suited to a busy student schedule. If you're ready to transform your student life with smart money moves, make sure to subscribe now and join our community. Let's kick things off with freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer offer endless opportunities for students to monetize skills like writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. With a reliable internet connection and a bit of dedication, you can start small, build a portfolio, and watch your freelance income grow over time. Like these freelancing tips? Hit that subscribe button. Our channel is packed with more strategies to help you succeed as a student. Not all side hustles are online. Your campus can be a goldmine for local opportunities. Consider tutoring fellow students, offering campus delivery services, or even running a small pop-up business. These hands-on gigs not only earn you extra cash, but also help you build valuable interpersonal and business skills. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to subscribe. More innovative student side hustles are coming up next. Another exciting opportunity is creating digital products and content. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, writing an ebook, or designing digital art, you can share your passions and expertise while generating income. With low startup costs and global reach, digital products offer an excellent avenue for students to earn money on their own terms. Love digital creation? Subscribe now for more deep dives into content strategies that work for students. Remote work and part-time jobs remain a popular choice for students. Remote internships, virtual assistant roles, or even customer service positions allow you to work from anywhere at flexible hours. These roles not only provide income, but also give you valuable work experience that can jumpstart your career after graduation. Want more job hunting hacks? Subscribe and join our community for the latest tips on balancing work and study. Investing might sound intimidating, but even as a student, you can start small and build passive income. With apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Coinbase, you can begin investing in stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies with minimal funds. Always do your research and consider starting with a virtual trading account to hone your skills. If you're interested in building wealth early, hit subscribe for more insights into passive income strategies for students. As we wrap up, remember, 2025 offers countless opportunities for students to earn money, whether through freelancing, campus side hustles, digital products, remote work, or even investing. The key is to start small, build your skills, and gradually scale your efforts. Every dollar you earn and every skill you develop today is an investment in your future success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave a comment with your favorite side hustle idea. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your student life. See you in the next video.